Hey, what's up? Today I want to tell you about this watch. No, this is not a Amazfit GTS, but it really looks similar. Even the model name is the same. This is a new TICWRIS GTS. The price of the new watch is only $25 on GearBest. Also, you can get TICWRIS GTS for only $1 during the sale from April 20 to April 21st. The details by the link in description. Let's talk about main features of the new watch, but first, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The design of the new TICWRIS GTS is similar to Amazfit GTS or even Apple Watch. The main body is made of plastic, and there is physical control button on the right side. The strap is silicone and it is removable. I think that you can use the strap from Amazfit GTS with the new watch TICWRIS GTS. On the back we can see heart rate sensor and charging contacts. By the way, the manufacturer says that the watch is equipped with dedicated temperature sensor. We will talk about it a little later. On the front there is 1.3-inch TFT display with 240 by 240 pixels resolution. For comparison, Amazfit GTS has 1.65-inch AMOLED display with 348 by 442 pixels resolution. So Xiaomi smartwatch has much better display, but it is also 5 times more expensive. The new watch from TICWRIS company is waterproof by IP68 standard. Now, let's talk about features of TICWRIS GTS. The main feature of the new watch is real-time body temperature monitor. As I already said, there is a special temperature sensor inside the watch. The new watch warns you when your body temperature is above normal. I don't have TICWRIS GTS right now, so I cannot check the accuracy of the temperature measurement. However, if it really works, it is a very useful feature. The other functions of TICWRIS GTS are quite standard, such as heart rate monitor, pedometer, blood pressure, blood oxygen, sleep monitor, 7 sports modes, and notifications. Talking about battery life, it is about 20 days on a single charge. The new watch is equipped with a 160 mAh battery. As I already said, there is a flash sale on GearBest, and you can buy TICWRIS GTS for only $25. I think it is a good price for the watch with a nice design, like Amazfit GTS or Apple Watch, body temperature monitor, and 20 days of battery life. What do you think? Would you buy it? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.